Hi guys and welcome to InstaSwap exchange. This is a tutorial on how to buy mana in some simple steps. Exchanging your crypto has never been easier. For a better understanding, we can check the official Decentraland website in advance. Decentraland is a virtual reality platform of the Ethereum blockchain. Decentraland was created by Ari Milik and Esteban Ordano in 2015 and was officially launched in 2017. It offers the opportunity to the users to manage their content, the creative process, and the end form of applications. The land of Decentraland belongs to the community, and for that reason, this community can control its creations. The users can own the land in exchange for the native cryptocurrency, mana. Therefore, this is the basic use of the ERC20 token, mana. According to the extent of their land, they are empowering their control of the content that is about to be published on the platform. Of course, we are talking about non-fungible land that is based on the technology of smart contracts. Mana token empowers the virtual world that Decentraland created. To buy a land, the users, as we already said, should own the native currency. Land according to the Decentraland platform represents a virtual parcel. These virtual parcels are 90,601 equal-size individual plots of Decentraland's virtual land. The virtual world of Decentraland consists of many pieces of land that the users can buy in the form of Ethereum's blockchain NFT. Now we will show you how you can exchange your crypto in a few simple steps to mana. Start by selecting the currency that you want to exchange at the You Send section. Then select mana as the currency you want to receive at the You Get section. Our system will show you instantly the best available exchange rate. Now simply enter the amount that you wish to exchange. You will be given an indication of how many coins you will receive. Press Swap Now, and you will be forwarded to the next step. Now, enter the receiving wallet address that you wish to receive your coins, as well as the refund wallet address that you will be sending the funds from. Enter your email address in order to verify your transaction by entering the 4-digit code that you will receive after you press Continue. Make sure that your cryptocurrency wallet addresses are correct and simply accept the terms and conditions and AML/KYC policy and press Continue. Make sure that you are not a robot to continue. Enter the verification code that you received in your email address. If you haven't received the confirmation code within minutes, make sure to check your junk/spam folder and press Continue. Send your funds to the generated address by copying the wallet or by scanning the QR code and wait for your coins to arrive. While we expect your funds, our system will detect your deposit and await for the required confirmations. Next, our service will exchange your coins and send you your desired currency to your provided receiving wallet address. And that was it. Your transaction has been successfully completed. For any questions or further support, do not hesitate to contact us at support@instaswap.io. Thanks for using our service. We are always looking forward to see you on instaswap.io.